hi again. It's Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're going to be looking at the Victoria Plumb twin round concealed shower valve with diverter. Just happens it's in black. Right, this is a one with a two-way diverter. You can hear it clicking off that way. So the first thing is obviously to get the handles off. That's these little pegs. You remove these. You can see they've got hex key with them. Sometimes they come out with it. Sometimes you have to put an Allen key in and remove it. Right, next is the two brass connections. One of them, I'll show you, this one is the temperature lug, as you can see, which deals with the maximum temperature you can set it for a comfortable shower. There you can see the lug that it hits against. This one is just a straight, as you'll see again. There's no lug on this one, it's just plain, because that's the diverter. Once you take them off, you can slide the plate off. That exposes, obviously you won't see a lot of this, you'll probably only see something like that. Good chance these will be hidden. Next is remove the sleeves to expose the valves. That's the diverter one. Pull the stop ring connection off. And undo thermostat. Right, we've got to this stage now, so it's a case of here are the two valves, the thermostat and the diverter. So we get the thermostat out first, and these can all be fixed in different ways. There might be a retaining nut that holds it in, it might screw in itself. This one has got a little hexagonal holder there, which I'll take out. I can get it out. There you go. And then the valve just pulls out. And you can see there where the hexagonal screw was holding it in. Next we'll have a look at the diverter. This is held in, as you can see here, there's a retaining nut and it's giving you two flat sides to put your spanner on. And it's not usually very tight. It doesn't have to be, as there's O-rings in on the diverter. Once we've got that out, that comes off. And again, here's the diverter. This should now pull up again. As you can see, it's quite tight. There's the diverter, two holes there. There's the O-ring that was sealing it. And I'll show you in the body. Hopefully you can see that. There's two peg holes for the peg holes, the guides, and there's two holes for the ports, left and right.